Greetings everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please remember to like and subscribe. This is my jerk season out now. To get this jerk season, you can contact me at linden.houston@hotmail.com. Contact number 0795 144 3926. Easy to use, very tasty and effective. Top of the range, great taste, good for jerk chicken, pork, also fish, and any meat or seafood of your choice. You can add a bit of the Linden jerk season rub to it to give you an authentic carbon flavor. Here you go. Coming soon, we'll have the curry powder and the hot sauce. Please remember to like and subscribe. Peace be.